Welcome to the vibrant and mystical land of Morocco, a captivating journey that's about to unfold. This is a land where time takes a pause, where the old meets the new, where the mountains kiss the desert, and where the Atlantic meets the Mediterranean. From the bustling cities of Marrakech and Casablanca to the serene silence of the Sahara Desert, every corner of Morocco has a story to tell. Embark on this journey with me and discover the magic of Morocco. We begin in the bustling cities of Marrakech and Fez, the pulse of Moroccan culture. These vibrant metropolises are living museums, each corner teeming with stories whispered through the ages. Their narrow labyrinthine alleys adorned with intricate mosaics and grand archways are a testament to the great civilizations that once thrived here. In Marrakech, the beating heart of Morocco, the city's history is etched into its architecture. The towering Koutoubia Mosque, with its majestic minaret reaching for the skies, stands as a proud symbol of the city's Islamic heritage. The Bahia Palace, a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture, whispers tales of a glorious past, its splendid courtyards and lush gardens a vision of paradise on earth. Fez, on the other hand, is a city suspended in time. As you wander through the ancient Medina, you'll find yourself transported back to the Middle Ages. The ornate Bouinania Madrasa, a marvel of Islamic architecture, and the centuries-old University of Al-Qarawiyyin, the oldest existing and continually operating educational institution in the world, bear witness to Fez's intellectual prowess. But what truly sets these cities apart is the seamless blend of tradition and modernity. Amid the historical vestiges, you'll find bustling souks where artisans masterfully ply their centuries-old crafts, creating everything from vibrant pottery to meticulously woven Berber rugs. Yet, just a stone's throw away, contemporary art galleries, chic boutiques and trendy cafes abound, reflecting Morocco's dynamic spirit. In these cities, the rhythm of life is dictated by the call to prayer reverberating from the minarets, the lively banter of market vendors, and the hypnotic beats of traditional Nawa music that fill the air after sunset. It's a symphony of sounds that perfectly encapsulates the essence of Moroccan culture. The cities of Morocco, with their rich history, are just the beginning of our journey. As we delve deeper into this mesmerizing land, we'll discover countless more tales of resilience, creativity, and enduring tradition, each more fascinating than the last. So buckle up, as our adventure in the heart of Moroccan culture is just getting started. Now let's dive into the heart of Moroccan culture, its cuisine. From the bustling streets of Marrakech to the quiet corners of Chefchaouen, the gastronomy of Morocco paints a vivid picture of its history, geography, and culture. Imagine strolling through a labyrinthine market, or souk as the locals call it. The air is rich with the scent of freshly ground spices, ripe fruits, and slow-cooked tagines. Each vendor's stall is a tapestry of colors, textures, and aromas, an invitation to explore the culinary traditions of a nation. In Morocco, food is not just sustenance, it's a way of life. The country's diverse influences from Arab and Berber to French and Spanish are reflected in its cuisine. This blend of cultures has given birth to dishes that are as complex and vibrant as the country itself. Take the iconic Moroccan tagine, for example. Named after the conical earthenware pot in which it's cooked, this slow-cooked stew is a symphony of flavors. It combines succulent meat, often lamb or chicken, with a medley of fruits and vegetables, all brought to life with a potent mix of spices. The result is a dish that is both hearty and exotic, a true reflection of Moroccan hospitality. But Moroccan cuisine isn't just about tagines. There's couscous, a fluffy grain dish often served with a variety of vegetables and meats. There's pastilla, a savory sweet pastry filled with spiced pigeon meat and topped with powdered sugar. And let's not forget the myriad of street foods, from sizzling kebabs to hearty lentil soups, each a culinary adventure in its own right. And of course, no Moroccan meal would be complete without a glass of mint tea. More than just a drink, it's a symbol of Moroccan hospitality and a testament to the country's love for nuances and rituals. The tea is prepared with great care, poured from a height to create a frothy top, and served in ornate glasses, turning a simple act of drinking tea into an art form. As you can see, Moroccan cuisine is a feast for the senses. It's a tapestry of flavors and textures, a reflection of the country's rich history and diverse culture. It's an invitation to explore, to taste, to savor. The flavors of Morocco are a testament to its rich culture and history. Beyond the cities and souks, Morocco's landscapes offer a different kind of magic. Morocco, a country of contrasts, is home to some of the world's most stunning natural wonders. From the sweeping Sahara Desert to the rugged Atlas Mountains and the serene coastline, every corner of this enchanting land sings a different song. Let's start with the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert. This vast sea of golden sand, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a testament to the timeless allure of nature. The Sahara isn't just a barren wasteland, it's a place of incredible beauty, where the shifting dunes paint an ever-changing picture against the backdrop of an azure sky. Whether it's the mesmerizing sunsets or the surreal experience of a moonlit night, the Sahara is a symphony of silence and solitude that leaves you spellbound. From the arid expanse of the Sahara, we journey to the snow-capped peaks of the Atlas Mountains. These towering ramparts are not just a geographical marvel, but also a hotspot for adventure seekers. The mountains are crisscrossed with trekking trails, offering breathtaking views of verdant valleys, tranquil lakes, and quaint Berber villages. The Atlas Mountains are a haven for those seeking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and lose themselves in the serenity of nature. And then there's the coastline, where the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea kiss Morocco's sandy shores. The coastline is a paradise for water sports enthusiasts, with some of the best spots for surfing, kiteboarding, and sailing. But it's not just about adventure. The pristine beaches, dotted with charming fishing villages, are perfect for those seeking a tranquil retreat. Morocco's natural landscapes are more than just picturesque. They are steeped in history, interwoven with culture, and teeming with life. They are a testament to the country's diverse beauty, offering a window into a world where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life. The natural beauty of Morocco is as diverse as it is breathtaking. In the heart of Morocco is its people, a vibrant community that keeps tradition alive. Walk through the narrow alleys of the ancient Medinas, and you'll find the true essence of Moroccan life, a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells. The artisans, crafting their wares with age-old techniques passed down through generations, are the heartbeat of this nation. Picture this. A potter, his hands covered in earthy clay, shapes a tagine with precision and care. Each stroke is a testament to the skill refined over years, a living testament to Morocco's rich cultural heritage. Elsewhere, a weaver sits at her loom, expertly threading vibrant colors into a traditional Berber rug. The pattern tells a story, a narrative woven into the fabric of Morocco itself. Now let's delve into the rhythm of Moroccan life. Music, an integral part of the Moroccan lifestyle, fills the air with a unique blend of Berber, Arab, and Andalusian influences. Whether it's the soulful strains of the oud wafting from a cafe, or the pulsating beats of Nawa music during a lively street festival, the sounds of Morocco are as varied and diverse as its landscapes. Interactions with locals offer a window into the Moroccan spirit, a spirit marked by hospitality, warmth, and a genuine sense of community. From sharing a mint tea with a newfound friend to engaging in lively bargaining at a bustling souk, these moments of connection reveal the true heart of Morocco. The Moroccan lifestyle is a rich tapestry of traditions and modern influences. It's in the henna-stained hands of a bride preparing for her wedding, the laughter of children playing a game of soccer in a dusty village square, and the quiet prayers echoing from the minarets at sunset. The spirit of Morocco truly lies in its people and their traditions. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where centuries-old customs thrive alongside modern innovation. This dynamic blend of old and new, tradition and progress, creates a vibrant, captivating lifestyle that is uniquely, undeniably Moroccan. As our journey comes to an end, another one awaits you. We've traversed the bustling streets of Marrakech, tasted the tantalizing Moroccan cuisine, marveled at the majesty of the Atlas Mountains, and immersed ourselves in the vibrant Moroccan lifestyle. Each experience a vibrant thread in the intricate tapestry that is Morocco. From the echoes of history in the ancient cities to the symphony of flavors in every dish, through the awe-inspiring landscapes and the rhythm of everyday life, Morocco is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. A land where the past and present live side by side, where every corner holds a story, every face a tale of tradition and time. So, as the sun sets on our journey, let the horizon beckon you to a new adventure. Consider Morocco for your next adventure and discover its magic for yourself.